Hey guys, it's Steven, and I want to do a little update video. So I'm here in my studio. It is studio slash workshop. It is up and running, and I got my lighting set up and my camera set up and my little table to do some recording. So I'm going to talk about some future things that will be done on this channel. I gave a little teaser on this previously that I was working on the studio. So now I wanted to give you an update on that, and here I'll talk about some things that will be on the channel. So as you know, the channel now is going to be kind of supporting the my Udemy content. And so I wanted to post things on here that were a little bit longer form and less concise than it is on Udemy. So basically, my plan is to have this channel be more of like an investigation channel. So running tests and doing cool projects in the long form. And then that usually is going to be information that I want to put on Udemy. So for example, this is for my upcoming beginning resin class, and it is okay. We have these different cloths, right? So here we have like this is actual like printing cloth, right? Brand, and it's got these like pleated cloths, and then over here we have some bamboo towels, right? Comes in a bag of 2, and then we have an example of some of the cleaner solution. So you have Mean Green, which some people say is pretty good. Over here we have isopropyl alcohol, and then we could have other flammable substances, etc. So something like this would be an investigation, right? So on Udemy I would just say, hey, this is the best, this microfiber is the best. Oh, I'm missing one. This is the one I saw, and this is where kind of all this came from, is this MX Wipes was on a YouTube channel, and they said that this is what they use in a clean room. I happen to work in a clean room. We use similar, but not quite this. This is like a very woven fabric. And what I found, and I'll discuss this in the video when I shoot this is what I've been using, and I found that it still, even though it's very soft, it still scratches the FEP sheet. Still scratches the FEP sheet, and so that's obviously not great. So what's better? Right? Is this guy better? Is this guy better? Is this guy, the bamboo towels better? So, gonna put together an experiment and figure out, right? That's how I figure out the things that I put in my Udemy courses, is from my personal experience, right? And so the difference is I will film, the plan is to film some of the experiments. Maybe not full form, but be like a couple of these other channels where they have these tests. I won't just do the test live. I'll do the tests and then show the results. As I talk about setting up the test, maybe a portion of the test, get the results, discuss the results, next test, etc., etc. So that would be something that would be on YouTube, is okay, I'm going to test these, which one's the best, and then have certain criteria such as scratching FEP sheet, how much moisture can it hold for its mass, is it biodegradable, give points for that, pricing, against the pricing, okay, how good is it for the money, is it flammable, non-flammable, is it toxic, is it easy to get a hold of, can you get it on Amazon, you got to special order it, etc., etc. So that is more long form content, which I want to keep on YouTube. And then on Udemy, I'll just say, I may put just a snippet, say, hey, I tested this, this, and this is what I found to be the best. Let's say figuratively. I haven't done the testing yet, but let's just say theoretically this is the best. So I'll just say this is the best, this is the one you want to get, is this cost, it's way better than these other ones for blank, blank, blank reason, for price, absorption, softness, not scratching the FEP sheet, ease of access, etc., etc. Out of all those factors, this is the best done, 3-4 minute video, while the testing may be 15-minute video. So obviously I don't want to have that in Udemy. Udemy is just as true information as I know it, and up-to-date information. And so to get some of that information, I'm going to do testing, and when I do testing, the idea is, instead of just doing testing off camera, I'll do some of the testing on camera here in the studio / workshop, and then post it on YouTube, and then also have that link in the Udemy course and say, hey, if you want to see the testing, you can click on this YouTube video, or have the YouTube video content at the end of the course and say extra content, right? And so also, you know, if you're new to the channel and want to learn more content other than just seeing these tests, then you can go and also purchase the course as well, because it'll give a trailer of what's on the course. So I think it would be kind of cool to see this kind of thing, and obviously from the Udemy it will support these types of experiments financially, and so I think it's kind of a win-win all around. You get information that comes from the test, and you can use it in your own applications, which most likely you have an application, that's why you're watching the video. And you'll get some information there, and also you'll know where to go to get more concise information if you want to watch if you want to go to the Udemy course. So that's the plan. This is one of the first examples. I have a couple other ones that I have planned to try. So obviously these are two separate ones. You have cleaners, and then you have microfiber cloths. But we have all different types of other stuff, like some other ideas are what bed adhesive is best for FDM printing, what's the best way to clean parts, and then test that. What I used to do is I used to do a lot of plastic bags and then shake it. Another one is what's the best way to reclaim IPA or mean green or whatever. So a lot of these other things. So, you know, do you put it outside? Do you put it outside to cure in the sun? You put it on rotation and cure it with UV light, what filters you use, etc., etc. Okay, so that's it for this video. Those are a couple examples and what to expect future on the channel. And some of these will be shorts, and some of these will be long form content as kind of short teasers, as well as other trailers for my full Udemy courses, as well as other products I'm working on. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Gotta head out. Later.